Hi, this is Drew Jones of Drew's Guitar Shop in Seattle, Washington, and this is kind of a commercial for this guitar that I'm selling right now. The date is May 5th, 2026. So, if this is years down the road, that may give you an idea that this guitar may not be available anymore, but, contact me about other stuff that I've got for sale. This is a Fender acoustic. It's an FA 100. That's seen some significant upgrades from where it was at originally. So what I do with these guitars, these student level guitars, is I take them and I install a bone nut and saddle in them so that they sound and work their best. And I also go through and I rework the frets, because one of the things that you see on student level guitars is oftentimes the fretwork is just awful. And when you do a low setup on it, like I've done on this guitar, you end up with buzzing all over the place. And so basically, this guitar sounds as good as it can, and it's going to play as good as it can with this nice low setup and these newly leveled frets. I'm going to go ahead and play this so that you can kind of hear what it sounds like. I'll do some strumming and I'll do some chords. Here it's got really good projection. It's got some nice sustain, but without losing attack. It's got a really nice full sound to it. Even though this is a laminate guitar, it's gonna sound a mark above basically any laminate guitar that you compare it to, particularly if they have like a plastic saddle and nut. The fact that it is a laminate would make it a really great first guitar for somebody, especially considering that all the kinks have been worked out. This guitar is going to play like it should, and so people won't pick up bad habits or, figure, oh, this guitar sounds awful when I play it, so I'm just not going to play guitar anymore because I sound awful. This will give somebody a really good stepping stone to that learning process. Or if you're a more experienced player and you're looking for a tougher guitar to take to beaches and camping trips and stuff like that, laminate guitars are really great for that. Just to be completely transparent with folks, this guitar has seen a headstock repair. I recently put up an ad on Craigslist telling people that I'm looking for broken and unwanted instruments. And I've already gotten a few in, and for the most part it's kind of unwanted student level stuff, and it's been stuff with like headstock repair or cracks or things like that, minor repair jobs. What I did with this headstock repair was I went through and did the gluing, and that all went very, very well. Smoothed out the area, and then I went through and I painted the area black, so it's a covered up repair, you can't see it, and then finished over the paint with some polyurethane, so it looks and it feels very nice. And it's a dark finish on the back, so it's kind of hard to notice that was ever done in the first place. But let me go ahead and show you what the intonation sounds like. So that's with a compensated bone saddle. Give this thing some pretty nice intonation. Sounds great strummed, sounds great finger picked. Pretty much whatever you want to do with this guitar, it's super flexible, and it's gonna do what you need it to do. Anyway, again, this is kind of a commercial for this Fender FA 100. I will have this listed on my Reverb and Craigslist. I will see if I can put those ads below in the description. And if you go to that ad and it's no longer for sale, it does mean that it is sold. So anyway, I will probably have other things for sale though. This has been Drew Jones of Drew's Guitar Shop in Seattle, Washington. If you like this video, I've got a lot more like it on my channel. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Check the description for a link to my website where you can find a page that I wrote on caring for stringed instruments, a page everything you could know about, everything you could want to know about fretwork, as well as my website where you can get my contact information for repair work, as well as my price list for repair work. This has been Drew Jones of Drew's Guitar Shop in Seattle, Washington. Thank you for watching.